If you're wondering what is going on with BTC or you're feeling lost and you want to know what is gonna happen next, stay tuned and let's talk crypto. All right, we are now on CoinMarketCap and we are at $238 billion and we are at a 24 volume of 96 billion. BTC dominance is at 65.9, 66 basically. Anyway, so we had a little bit of a drop. Okay, so we had this drop right here and now we're going sideways. What is going on next? Well, stay tuned and we will be talking about it. But for all the other cryptos, we got some green going on. Bitcoin SV had a bounce. As in my past videos, I said there's going to be bouncing happening for some quick scalping, buying and selling, making some money back. But anyways, look at it's green, it's green, it's green, it's green, it's green, it's green. Okay, let's move on. And what do we got here? What I see is basically this, fellas. I'm going to keep it really simple. Okay, this is on the 2 hour right here. You see this is the Ichimoku signal right here, which is the second, the first indicator right here where it's green right here. Green, green. And then it's turning red. Well, guess what? It's going to turn more red, people. And then you see right here, this is the 200 MA. We're going to be heading towards that, and I'm pretty 100%, no, let's just say 85% that we're going to bounce off of that. And as you can see right here with the MACD, you can see that we are, let's just blow that up a little bit. We're heading up over here, fellas, and I feel like we're going to get some reddish after this. And as you can see right here on the Stoch RSI, we're going to probably head up a little bit, but then we're going to have to dump, okay? And that dumpage could be dumping this way. So that's where I see right now. And on to some crypto news. And all right, Bitcoin price won't go down quietly. Risk of bounce grows. That's the title. Bitcoin is currently consolidating above the key 8,500 support area against the US dollar. BTC price could start a fresh rally if it clears the 8,800 resistance area. Bitcoin price is confined in a range above the main 8,500 support against the US dollar. So this article is more on the bullish side, right, fellas and chicas and it's out there. The bulls are facing hurdles near the 8,760 and 8,800 resistance levels. There's a key contracting triangle forming with resistance near 8,720 on the hourly chart of the BTC USD pair, data fed from Kraken. The pair could either rally above 8,100 or start a downside extension below 8,470. Bitcoin citing upside break. That could be that little, that MACD that was heading up, to try to touch the past resistance. Yesterday we discussed a downside correction in Bitcoin from well above 9,000 level against the US dollar. BTC price followed a short-term bearish path and broke the 8,800 support area. Moreover, there was a close below the 8,800 level and the 100 hourly simple moving average. Finally, Bitcoin tested the key 8,500 support area and recently started a tiny recovery. The price tested the 8,500 support area on multiple occasions, but the bears failed to gain traction. As a result, the price recovered above the 8,650 level plus the 23.6 fib retracement level of the downward move from the 9,186 high to 8,470 swing low. On the upside, there are a few key hurdles forming near the 8,760 and 8,800 levels. For Bitcoin, besides, there is a key contracting triangle forming with resistance near 8,720 on the hourly chart of the BTC USD pair. Here we go right here. This guy's like, okay, we're going to go down a little bit and then we're going to head up. Burp, burp, burp. More importantly, the 100 hourly SMA is near the 8,800 level and the 50% fib retracement level of the downward form from the 9,186 high to 8,470 swing low. Therefore, a successful break above the 8,800 resistance could start a fresh rally. In the mentioned case, Bitcoin price is likely to climb above 9,000 and 9,100 levels, which that would be the 200 MA, right, on the 1 day. In the near term, any further gains could lead the price towards 9,300. That's going to be some serious resistance, right? Importance of 8,500 for BTC. As mentioned, the 8,500 support area holds a lot of importance for BTC bulls. If the price fails to stay above the 8,500 and 8,470 support levels, there could be another slide. Below 8,470, Bitcoin is likely to extend its losses towards 8,200 or 8,000. The main support is near 8,000, where the bulls are likely to take a stand. Booyah! He's like looking at his RSIs right here. So basically, the MACD is slowly gaining momentum in the bullish zone. Hourly RSI. The RSI for BTC USD is moving higher, and it's just above the 50 level. Major support levels 8,560 followed by 8,500. Major resistance levels 8,760, 8,800, and 8,830. This is definitely on a smaller time frame, right? Booyah! Okay, so right here, this is on a 2 hour. And what do I got here? We ran up. Got the fibs up right here, as you can see. Ran up this. Boom, booyah, the 200 would be right here, you know, basically hit it and couldn't go in, right? And now we're like in the golden pocket area right here at the 65 and the 618. So we're bouncing in between there. And then on the 2 hour, this is where I'm thinking like we're basically gonna creep down to 8,500 and then crash into the 8,300 area. It's really late at night, people. It's almost midnight, so excuse my tiredness. This is an idea on TradingView, which he's basically saying, well, check this out, y'all. You see this divergence happening? We're going to be like, and then we'll bounce out. So he's looking at even dropping lower than I'm thinking, 7,380, revisiting the lows. Bitcoin breaking this single level will spark a parabolic 800% rally. Well, this sounds like some bullish news, ain't it? Bitcoin's 2020 uptrend has drastically shifted the market structure of BTC, which was previously shaping up to be incredibly bearish while it was hovering within the 6,000 region. The subsequent rallies from the price region, however, have allowed it to climb all the way up to 9,200, which appears to be a key resistance level that bulls are currently in the process of contesting. Now, one prominent analyst is noting that Bitcoin is currently on the brink of a massive parabolic rally that could send it to fresh all-time highs, although the cryptocurrency needs to break through a resistance level that currently sits roughly 64% above its current price. Bitcoin's ongoing rally could soon turn parabolic if bulls push it above 14,200. Whoa, that's really asking for it, right? At the time of writing, Bitcoin is currently trading down marginally at a current price of 8,650, which marks a notable decline from the recent highs of 9,200 that were set when bulls attempted to propel the crypto towards the five-figure price region. The rejection at this level has bolstered bears, but the crypto has been able to remain above its near-term support at 8,500. In order for this ongoing rally to be more than just a fleeting relief pump, bulls will need to build major strength and push it up 14,200. Nebraskan Gunnar, a well-respected cryptocurrency analyst on Twitter, spoke about the importance of this level in a recent tweet, telling his followers that a weekly close above this price would open the gates for a rapid parabolic climb to the fresh all-time highs of 75,000. That sounds so good. History tells us that a weekly close above the 0.65 Fibonacci will send BTC into a new parabolic bull run. The 0.236 fib has often acted as a bottom, and the 4.23 fib has been exceeded each time. This means a weekly close above 14,200 would see BTC reach over 75,000. He explained while referencing the levels marked on the below chart. Let's look at this chart, y'all. History tells us that A weekly close above the 0.65 Fibonacci will send BTC into a new parabolic bull run. The 2.36 fib has often acted as a bottom, and the 4.23 fib has been exceeding each time. This means a weekly close above 14,200 would see BTC reach over 75,000. That sounds like music to my ears. Well, here we go right here. Yo, here we go looking at, this is the pass, 0.65. When we're passing that, it's parabolically cruising up. Right here is again, this is in 2014. Boom, pops again. Here we go right here again. This is in 2017 on the biggest bull run ever. And then here we are right here. So yeah, if we go past the previous highs of the the 14,000, yeah, we can. So there's a way to go. There is definitely a way to go. Other analysts agree fresh all-time highs may be right around the corner. Nebraskan Gunner isn't the only analyst who is noting that Bitcoin is on the cusp of a major rally, as Galaxy, another prominent analyst, recently told its nearly 60K followers that BTC is close to breaking a key multi-year trend line that could catalyze a move to $100,000. Breaking the green line will be what triggers the next parabolic movement that will take us to 100K minimum. Save this picture. You are not late, you are early, he boldly stated. That is just great. Although bulls have some serious work ahead of them if they want to generate a movement of this kind of magnitude, it does appear that the stars are once again beginning to align for Bitcoin. Let's just end it off right here with that green. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, X marks the spot right here. Oh, he's like has it up to like literally like freaking, yeah, 115,000. That is just amazing. So yeah, I'm sure everyone's kind of like, where are we going here from here next? No matter what, if you are hodlers of Bitcoin or if you are a believer of Bitcoin, it doesn't matter, because we all know it's going to go up sooner or later. If you're trading, hey, you should already taken profits, as I have, and a lot of other people have been saying too. So take profits when you got profits, and if you're hodling to keep it for long term, then you already know you're holding it, right? Anyways, have a great evening or morning or wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and give me a like for my video. I would really much appreciate it, and I will see you guys later. This is BTC Man, and I am out.